so much, Eric, for joining us this morning. I want to talk to you about Aleria's contribution beyond the infrastructure value it itself. And how is it that this specific partnership between DDN and NVIDIA and Aleria is building a fully functional AI factory?
Thank you. Jensen showed yesterday the DS6 factory, the DS6 design, architecture design, to show the new type of sovereign infrastructure. This type of sovereign infrastructure needs to run at a pace that GB300 and more Vera Rubin can just deliver to the market. To do that, we need to have the speed of the new GPU of NVIDIA and the quality of the storage from DDN. This is the infrastructure that we are aggregating together to be sure that we have the best of both worlds. What Aleria is doing is bringing software on top to connect all the software and the platform from NVIDIA and the platform from DDN for storage together in one unified platform, a fusion layer platform, a fusion layer who connect to all your data, structure and structured data. And our fusion layer is made in C, so we can directly address the GPU, not like some competitor who are in JavaScript or in Java. Yesterday, Jensen was very clear. Structure and structured data will be the fuel of our new agentic workflow and agentic AI. Build everything in one agentic workflow, including video AI, adding data from banks, from government, whatever you want to build. This full platform, you can start tomorrow morning. So instead of selling dollar by GPU by hour, even with the best GPU and the best storage in the planet, we are selling millions of dollars of tokens, and we are selling real application on top of the layer. We do the 5-layer cake. We even bring the application on top, and our application has been already distributed in UAE and globally from Brazil to Indonesia. FAB, First Abu Dhabi Bank, is one of the biggest banks of the Middle East. They are distributed in 18 countries. FAB, First Abu Dhabi Bank, used to have a Microsoft Azure Consumption Services contract, $135 million a year, to use everything, from Copilot to 365 to Databricks and Power BI, all these systems, right? We replace that with some GPU installed directly inside the bank, Aleria platform on top, DDN storage, and now they run everything on-prem. They have made $110 million savings on their cloud infrastructure. So this is clear, this is simple. Before we come, they have 270 POCs to try to add AI inside the bank. 270 POCs with OpenAI, Microsoft, tons of consultants coming to try to make workflows. We don't have POC anymore. We have at phase 3 of integration. Board of directors is run through AI since 1 year now. Legal, finance, and HR is fully controlled by the AI, and we add video AI to receive our customers. We recognize if it's a VIP, and we send directly a message to some of our managers. We have a big company to do real estate in Abu Dhabi. They build thousands of houses, villas, and buildings, and it is called ALDAR, ALDAR. Before, they used to spend 4 months to 6 months to prepare the new, compound that they want to launch on the market. Now it's 12 minutes. We bring AI inside, we connect to the procurement, we connect to their architecture, and now in minutes, they prepare the next compound. They ask what they want. We connect to what they have done already. We connect to all the things they can do. We connect to the system. We connect to the land. And we create a full proposal that they can interact with, transform. And in days, they do what they were doing in months. We do procurement for Walt Disney, the new Walt Disney Park, who will be installed in Abu Dhabi. It is more than 180 giga of document processed in hours, not in months. And we are talking about 80, 90, 97% first saving. You can bring your best guys on top instead of having tons of junior looking at everything. It's amazing. So I think the world is divided in two pieces. You can be an hyperscaler, it's 60% of the market, or you can be on the sovereign enterprise, sovereign government, sovereign part of the 40% of the market. This DS6 factory, combined with all our technologies, can bring to smaller government, smaller enterprise or big groups, big firms, an alternative. You know what happens in UAE? The two Amazon data center was shut down, one in Dubai, one in Oman. Fab Bank was out of work except for the internal thing that we are running for 1 week. 3 of our major banks, we were not able to use our cards, not able to get our money, not able to go to the system. Inside the bank, everything was working thanks to our infrastructure inside. So these DS6 factories are important for government, are important for sovereignty, are important for the future. The cloud is the computer of somebody else. Intelligence in the cloud is the intelligence of somebody else in the computer of somebody else. First of all, you have to trust in sovereignty because you are on the good path. Second, you have to choose the best. Don't try to be smarter than one of the smarter guys on the planet. Just take the good trend and accelerate. Start building bricks who are very smartly integrated with the platform layer from NVIDIA. If you can do this, you will be able to have something was valued today. You know, after 3 years, you are one of the most important assets of your country.
Thank you so much, Eric. What a pleasure talking.
Thanks to you.